everyone! Have you ever felt hope from something very small? Stay with us. Today, you will learn why. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mike. Today we have a beautiful topic. It's called Hope in the Small Moments.
I love this topic. We will talk about hope, but we will also learn new English words. So stay with us until the end. You don't want to miss it.
That's right. Let's start with a simple question, Anna. What makes you feel hopeful?
Good question. For me, it's the sunrise. Every morning I see the sun come up and I feel hopeful. It's a new day and anything can happen.
I love that. Tomorrow is a new day. That's a nice sentence to remember. It means we can always start again.
Exactly. Yes. Another small moment for me is a kind message from a friend. When someone writes something nice, it makes my whole day better.
That's true. A kind word can change your mood. We can say, I feel hopeful today when something good happens, even something small. What about you, Mike? What gives you hope? Helping another person. When I help someone, I feel useful, and I feel connected to them. It's a simple thing, but it feels great.
That's a lovely feeling. And here's one for our learners. When you learn one new English word, that is also a small moment of hope. It shows you are improving.
Yes, small steps make a big difference. You don't need to learn everything in one day. Just one word, one sentence, one small step.
I also love a warm cup of tea in the morning. It's simple, but it makes me feel calm and ready for the day.
Coffee for me. There's something special about holding a warm cup. It's a quiet moment before a busy day.
And smiling at someone. It costs nothing, but it can make two people happy at the same time.
So true. A smile is a universal language. Everyone understands it.
Anna, now let's talk about why these small moments matter. When we notice them, our mood gets better. We feel more confident. We feel ready for the day.
And this is very important for English learners.
Learning a language is hard sometimes. You may feel tired or confused, but remember, never stop learning.
Yes, even when it's difficult, keep going. Don't give up. Every mistake helps you learn something new.
I believe in myself. Say that to yourself every day. It's a powerful sentence. It helps you feel strong.
And remember, every day is a new chance. If today was hard, tomorrow can be better.
So here's our message for today. Finish one small goal. Maybe it's learning one new word. Maybe it's having one short conversation in English.
When you finish a small goal, you feel proud. That feeling gives you energy to continue.
Mike, let's practice a little English together. Repeat after us. I feel hopeful today.
Small steps make a big difference.
Never stop learning.
I believe in myself.
Great job. You're already learning.
So, my friends, remember this. Hope is not always big. Sometimes hope is small. It's a sunrise, a smile, a warm drink, or one new word.
Practice English every day, even a little bit. Learning happens little by little, step by step.
Every small improvement is important. Be proud of your progress.
Thank you all so much for watching StartSpeak English today.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it and tell us in the comments, what small moment gives you hope?
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson.
Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep going.
See you soon, friends. Bye for now.